Now let's play with the toys. Let's do this. Open up. I'm back, Spider Brats. Yeah, take this. You have to do the same story. What? Wingsuit activate. Oh, this is so cool. Oh God, it's Molten Man. Woo. This should be a piece of tape. Dang it, he damaged my websuit. Whoa! Psst. Dang it. Wait. Yeah. Behind you. Yeah. He's down. You can't. There's nothing to worry. No! Now it's time to swing into action. Wet hook. What? Shooter blaster. Don't worry, guys. I'm back up. Oh, my leg. Good. No, this is the same person. This is my claw grab. Whoa, spidey sense are tingling. Whoa!
You know you can call your airplane and shoot at him.
It's not an airplane.
Bill to shoot at him. It's a jet to shoot at him.
Spider jet, come in! This is getting too out of hand. We need to defeat Molten Man at all costs. We need to defeat him ASAP.
I stepped him on. I finished him.
Let me finish him. Wait. You know he's molten, right? He can melt the web.
Oh. I grabbed it.
What?
I got you.
Oh.
No, that was the charger.
Keep Molten Man distracted.
Okay. Let's get this over with. Back up. In full power.
I got him! I'll grab him with this.
Now it's time to end him with my web laser.
I got him. Yes, we finished Molten Man. I'll bring him to a molten-proof jail cell, okay, guys? Alright, I have to go home. He's pretty much knocked out. Anyway.
I have to go do Spiderman. See you later.
yeah, see you guys later too.
Bye.
Molten prison. Open. And now let's compare the 6-inch action figures. These two Spider-Mans are pretty much the same. This is the Ultimate Crawler Spider-Man, and this is the Spider-Man that comes with the Spider-Jet. The only differences about these two Spider-Mans is that this one bends his knees and elbows and can move his arms like this, and this one can't. And the differences between these three is the white parts that are on these one on him, they're all blue, and he comes with these two little blades on his wrist, and he comes with a websuit that he can fly with. And that's pretty much it for these three Spider-Mans.
Now this is the Spider-Man, Stealth Suit Spider-Man, and the Web Strike Spider-Man. This one, when you squeeze it, he can move this leg, and he can do this. The really difference is he got webs, and when his leg is short, when you squeeze his leg, his arm goes back and forth. But when you press this, and the spider sign is right here, and this one is moved over. And the legs can go back and forth in and out. And this one can. I like this one better because he could like grab stuff. And this one only could swing with his webs.
These three Spider-Mans, the one that I like the best is the one with the wings, because like it's very cool, and like he has blades, and like it's just the coolest one. Now let's play with the 12-inch toys. Wait, who are you? Who are you? I'm Spider-Man. No, I'm Spider-Man. No, I'm Spider-Man.
Let's see that we got such a situation.
Whoa!
Wait, hey man, you wanna fight? Let's go.
Yo, how about try and web strike me?
Okay, whatever you say, you ask for it.
Shield, man.
Whoa. I got
And you shoot me. You shoot me.
Whoa, something is up. I can feel it.
I can do the same thing.
Come and shoot him.
Cabrero. Whoa.
Spider-Man to the rescue. I have that feeling again. Something's headed my way.
Look out. Whoa! Let go of me, Vulture.
Vulture.
Good. Whoa!
To me to stop the vulture. I love this mask. It helps me focus my spider sense. How'd you like my new suit? Yeah, me and Iron Man built it. I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Only thing you are is a bug.
Oh no! I'm late to class! I got 2 hours to be Spider-Man before I have made it. Web wings activated!
So cool.
Spider senses are on fire.
Alright.
That's it, Vulture. You're about to. What?
Oh.
Ready to get caught in these webs.
Yeah, that's gonna be the end of him. My spider senses are taken. Whoa. Oh.
Catch him! Catch him, Homecoming! Yeah, I know. Scoot up!
We won. We won. Yeah, Daddy. I'm the real Spider-Man. No, I'm the real Spider-Man.
This concludes the Spider-Man Far From Home Part 1 review. As I said earlier, if any more Spider-Man Far From Home toys come out, we'll do a Part 2. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and put the comments in the comments. Peace.
Bye.